The vehicle got stuck. That's Kotesar. We've already moved from the school to the venue. Arjun, yeah, you're going to dance.
Yes.
What's your anticipation, by the way?
We will try our best and get nice position there, like first.
Just nice person like first.
Yeah.
So have you ever danced before this?
Yeah, once.
Once. Enter school or within the school?
In the school.
In the school you have danced once. Like this is the airport, our left side. I mean, driver is here in the school bus, and here are the participating students in today's dance competition. And many of them, they have already participated in the inter-school dance competition. Yeah, Susanna, what is your say? What is your anticipation for today's dance?
Like we'll try our best to win.
We'll try our best to be, on the top.
Yeah.
So this is Kathmandu, and today is 4th of the month, August, 4th of August 2025. That is Nepali date. We are a bit different. That is 19th of Shravan 2082. Is this your first attempt in inter-school dance?
No, it's not.
It's not. That's Ispa. And yours?
This is my
Yeah.
fourth Sita.
4th attempt. She's been dancing a lot. There's airport. You can see some, and that's the Tinkuni. We already crossed it. So we have dance instructor, sir. Kids, what do you say? What will the girls do in today's dance? They'll do very good. He's very hopeful. The girls are looking beautiful. Here's another yet. And Norika Preti. And what do you think about today's dance?
I think it's awesome. I hope that we win.
You hope that you'll win, but
and
that
we will
28
win.
will win. That 28 more schools. There's one more beautiful lady. The next. What do you think about the dance?
I think the dance is good. And
Dance is really great. Can you have your name?
Divya.
Dibba. Your name?
Norika Uprit.
Norika Preti.
Ipsa.
Ipsa. And
Elina Limbu. Susana.
Susana. And sir? Kritan Badugardi. What do you think about the dance today? Will win. That's the prediction. Yes, Missy. Your name?
Suzuka.
What do you think about today's dance?
We have tried our best.
We'll try our best.
We'll win.
Will win.
Ansuka Magar.
Ansuka Magar. This is the first time or second time, Ansuka?
No, it's the fourth time.
Fourth time. You participated in many of the school events, right?
Yes.
Okay, we've reached, I guess, we are nearing Baneswar right now. And Meen Bhavan, this place is called Meen Bhavan. Outside it's drizzling a bit. And madam is busy. Hello, Rosa ma'am. You are busy decorating the girls, beautifying them, and every step matters. Because the competition is very tough. Your name, please? Regis Abbas. Then what do you think about today's competition?
I think that we'll try our best.
We'll try our best. We'll try our best. Here's another participant. Yes, please.
Hello, and we will win.
We will win. Every team comes with a winning spirit. You have to win. There are 28 more teams, and everybody will try to win. You do your best. Yes, the decision is subjective. Hopefully, it will come in your favor. It's a greenery outside. Kathmandu looks very beautiful because there are beautiful girls, small children around. Yes, Missy, your name? So, what do you think about today's competition?
We all do our best.
You will do our best. That's a very good and positive spirit. Yes, Missy.
My name is Sweetie Lama, and we'll try our best to be on the top.
Be on the top. We try our best to be on the top. That's Kathmandu's greenery at the background. Our school bus is traveling softly, gently towards the destination. Okay, your name, please?
My name is Varsha Basnet, and we practiced a lot, so I hope we win.
You practice a lot, and so we hope we win. What dance is this, by the way?
Tharu dance.
Tharu dance. Tharu is an indigenous group of Nepal's Tarai area. Your name, please?
My name is Khushi Shrestha, and we have to win, and we will win.
We have to win, and we will win. The next one.
My name is Supriya Kaur, and we have practiced really hard even in the rain, and we hope we will win.
You have practiced hard even in the rain. The girls look almost duplicate copy of the Tharu girls. Some are really anticipating. They really worked hard. Hopefully they will make a good difference. Yes, there. And we are about to reach slowly. Hopefully I'll be talking to some more people. That's it. And again, I'm trying to be in the front area of the vehicle. I'll show you some of the other scenes. You can have a look. That's Kathmandu. We are at Baneswar. We're waiting, following the signals of the light. Here's in the front, Arjun. Yeah, Arjun. Yeah, tell me. So you said you are going to do your best on the top of your performance. You've been seen involved in dancing or singing or maybe participating in different activities. How do you manage your time?
I always manage it because I try once at once and another at once. Like I try all in routine. I make a separate routine to do everything, every work, If I'm going in any competition and representing my school, I tried my best because I have to represent my school as the best. And also making routine also.
Okay, so you manage your studies and your rest of the competitions, right?
Yeah.
So what matters competitions in your life as a student of grade 8?
Many things like studies, especially.
So studies are on the top list, right?
Yeah.
So now you'll be participating your inter-school speech competition, and you'll be representing your school. You're selected for that one as well,
Yeah.
So what difference does it make you become a dancer sometimes, sometimes you become an orator?
Yeah, like I try to participate in everything because if I will participate in everything, it will show my real art. I can find my real art through inside me.
What exactly you are?
First thing, I'm a human, and
okay.
after that, I'm a student.
You are a student. Banasar is already over. We are marching towards the next destination, really Maitighar, and then we'll have to move to other ways. This is Kathmandu. Good thing about recent development is there is greenery around. There are trees planted. Even if they find a small piece of land, I'll talk to Guruji. What do you say? What he has to say about today's competition? Even his son, he's a student of grade 7. He's also participating here. Amro Guruji, what do you have to say? Guruji?
सबैलाई शुभकामना
Subhakamna Ramru Galan. There are 28 schools participating. He's driving. I should not disturbing much. So we are getting slowly down. Now comes Babar Mahal. That is behind the name Babar Samsher. Jang Bahadur Rana. This is upcoming. And there's the bridge next. We'll have to cross it shortly. Lights are maintained in Kathmandu. Cleanliness is here, left and right, all around. Yes, the girls are making noise. I guess they are excited, sitting silently. Madam is busy, still at the work. We there? Yes, now I think we have to wait for some time. There are other people crossing the road. And here we go. Okay. There seems an even vehicle. That's very expensive, but anyway. Whatever vehicle that you be in, you are a human, as Arjun said. That is your first thing. Be a true human. Be good to yourself. Be good to society. Be good to people around. Okay. Now we crossed river. By the way, not a river. It's a small sort of brook type. We call it Dhobi Khola. And that's crossed right now. The bridge is better. I know this is well built to avoid the transportation hassles. They have been restricting some areas. That's almost 8-lane road here in Kathmandu in the middle. That you can call the middle of Kathmandu here. I guess our destination will be around 8 to 10 minutes away from here right now because of transportation congestion, but it would be only 3 to 4 kilometers or less than that, 3 kilometers around. So that's Babar Mahal on the way. Yeah, district court where they decide things for Kathmandu. Okay. Here are many of the ministries around for the country. There are special courts around. Yeah, one thing that you can find out in Nepal is that motorbikes or two-wheelers and four-wheelers, they intermingle, they are friendlier to one another. And helmet is compulsory to avoid accidents. In one data I read, there are 3,500 people lose their life not having proper helmets worldwide per day. That's a big data. So this is the vehicle for hospital. These days they have started writing H for hospital, but earlier it was Red Cross symbol for the hospitals as well. But by now, they started writing H in blue within white circle. So that talks of the hospital. So that's embossed number system. The rest of the number system, earlier number system on this way, that is white on red means a private vehicle. So nowadays all the vehicles are turning into this way. So that's 5 through and we move. So that's we on the top. We're moving towards Maitigar. And that's the place. This is Nepal Art Council Gallery, where a lot of art exhibitions done. We're moving towards Maitigar. So this name is very special because a movie named Maitigar was being shot here, and the school, whenever the vehicles passed by, there was a board kept Maitigar. It's been maybe more than 50 years back, and later they started calling it Maitigar, and finally the place is named Maitigar. We've got a St. James College, that is a very famous one in the country, the number one choice for the students so far. It's on our left. So we are slowly moving towards our destination. As I said earlier, St. James College is on my left. That's it. So the dream for many of the students, that is there. St. James College, Nepal. That's the center. And we are heading towards Maitigar. That's a big flag of Nepal standing to welcome you all. So it's the rainy season, and many of the motorcyclists seem to be putting on their raincoats. But in the Kathmandu, in a 5-minute distance, 5 minutes travel, you can see somewhere raining, somewhere not. I've experienced many a times. You know, you are coming from a rainy area, and after 2-3 minutes, you are coming entirely in a dry area. So that is how it goes. Oh, the vehicles are snailing about the destination. They are very slow. But the motorcyclists make out some way out somewhere, like in between. No, they fill the gaps. The students, they say, fill in the blanks. That's what the motorcyclists do out here in the traffic road. So slowly we are moving. We didn't yet reach Maitigar. Actually, this is traffic is here, heavy traffic. Now I think we make it a free move. People, there's some demand, they demonstrate out here. Oh, there's a traffic. The lady is there. There's a nice mandala created here in Maitigar. I guess we have to wait again. A bit more. That gives a nice view of Kathmandu. Actually, the dust is out. It's already been washed out by recent drizzlings or recent rain. Now we are heading towards Singha Darbar, the headquarters, or maybe let's say the presidential administrative building is very close by. Supreme Court is on our right side. Yes. We're moving. The bus got some speed right now. Maybe again we'll be disturbed. So that's the Supreme Court on our right side. There's some other school vehicles around. So now we'll get 2 stoppages. One here near Singh Darbar, and next will be Ram Sapat, which is next. So this is here, Singh Darbar. On the right side, that is what the country's administrative area, where the Prime Minister's office. They're inside there. So this one goes to the other destination. So move on. Yeah, Kathmandu is a valley. If you drive for 10-15 minutes or maybe around 25-30 minutes straight without disturbance, you can reach to the bottom of a hill, but you are not allowed to have that speed because time and again you'll have disturbance, you'll get distracted, you'll get a stoppage. That's there, Uttarli Sadak, and our destination is very close by. We are nearing to destination. That's on our left side. Now from here we'll move our left. Our number for today's dance competition is 15. So might have been right now 9th or 10th or even more than that. Because one dance generally takes around 5 minutes. So calculating that one, our number is 15th. So going to our left. That's here. That's what we call Pradarshini Marga. Here's Padmodaya Madhyamik Vidyalaya. That is on our left side. So that's Mahendra Police Club, where our venue of program is there today. Okay, that's Birkuti Mandap on our left side. And that's Nepal Law Campus. Biswabhasa Campus is next. There are 3 colleges in a row. Nepal Police Club, that's where it is. On our right side, that's the destination we reached. Now the girls will try their best. The blue pavilion, that's where it is. We are entering there. Looks grand. There are more school buses. They have reached. The excitement is there. Dance will be there. Performances. Here they're getting down one by one. Okay, that's why they make it. Okay, girls, here we go. Best of luck. Here they go. They're heading.
Hello.
Yes, there. Best of luck. That's Gateway Academy. Best of luck, Libya and everyone. Here they are. Even some other school girls are here doing some more rehearsal. That is there. Oh, they are teaching, maybe they are waiting for their turn. So they're preparing right now. Dance school is preparing. Oh, they also perform really well. So many of the students, boys and girls, most preferably girls, they're looking in cultural attire for the dance competition. Maybe they are waiting for more. So, what school are you from? Golden Bus School. Did you already perform? No, they're waiting for even their turn.
हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्छु प्रतिस्पर्धी नौलाई र जहाँ यो
So they're performers from 20 schools.
टेक्निशियन मित्रलाई पर्दा हटाइदिन न हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु
That is
र प्रतिस्पर्धी नम्बर 9 तयारी अवस्थामा आइसक्नु भएको छ पर्दा खोलिदिनु न र म यसै गरी
That is there. Hot spins from different schools. The Code Devi had already done dance. They were once champion, I remember so far. They were champions, right, once?
चण्डी अथवा नाच्ने गरिन्छ